Hello guys, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be starting my tutorial by trying to show you how we can use our Pycharm IDE as a robot IDE. By that I mean we'll try to see how we can use our Pycharm IDE to write robot files. So first of all, I'm using an Ubuntu 20.04. So I first of all search for Pycharm. Pycharm is already installed on my system. I just installed it recently. So wait for it to come up. Yeah. And I don't want to send uh, anonymous data back to IntelliJ, back to JetBrains. Yeah. Um. So first thing we can do is we can just start a new project. You know, we start a new project. We can just call it test.robot. Test.robot. So when we come here and we try to write a robot file, we discover that it's going to be weird. We won't be able to find all the colorings that come in when using, you know, uh, an IDE. Uh, let's create a new file. I don't know, my system is kind of slow. Yeah, so create a new file. So call it test.robot. So if you come to the test.robot, for example, and you want to write, you want to start with a simple robot file, we discovered that there is no way it is being highlighted. So what are we going to do next? Well, like for example, you're not seeing the green and blue colors that are supposed to come up when writing, code on an IDE. So what do we do? What we'll do is we'll just go somewhere, go to the JetBrains website, you know, we say robot framework plugin, right? Say Pycharm. So I'm going to drop this link down for you guys so that you can always so you can easily just navigate to it instead of having to find it by yourself. So what we do is you just click this, you say install into PyCharm. So it will give you a notification, you click accept, so you now say install the plugins. So if you look well, you see discover that now it has changed. So we can write a very simple robot file. There's one more I want us to install. It is called Robot Framework ISP. So we can just say Robot Framework ISP plugin. No, not this. Yeah, this is. Yeah. So we just say install to PyCharm also. So we'll go back to our PyCharm. If you use a Windows system, it's going to be different. For a Windows system, you literally have to download it, right? Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Let's install it. So I think it's been installed already. For if it's say we should restart it. So we'll just restart our IDE. So if it's a Windows system, you literally have to download, the IDE, then go to your settings. I'm going to show you the settings when we resume. Yeah, it's an old system, so you go to settings. That's for those who are using Windows, right? You go to settings, you go to plugins, so you click settings. they say install plugins from disk. That's for Windows users. So you just click this, then you go navigate to where you just recently downloaded one of these plugins and click OK. Then that's all, you'll be fine. So it's discovered now that our robot framework is working. We could just do some simple things on it. Yeah. So you could just say documentation, and we just give it a keyword, you know, yeah, stuff like that. So thank you for watching this short video. I hope you enjoy it. I know it's not the best, but